Good day to you, and how you be, everybody? Oh man, heading to the shop, and I guess I'm cleaning some screens and reclaiming, prepping for the week. There is something I want to talk about today, and it's about people quitting because the business is not making enough money. That is something that I'm going through right now. Not really quitting because I can't quit, but that I just did my taxes and I did the same amount of sales as I did on 2018. And now I'm thinking, what do I have to change? What do I have to do? What you have to try to do is figure out what I have to do to reinvent yourself, because we get into this habit and we just rely on it, and when things start going slow, we get a little desperate. I want to talk about what could you do when business is going slow, when it's not moving, not going slow, but it's not moving, it's not growing. And these are the things I want to talk about today, because now I have to come up with ideas to generate more income to the business. First, we have to check ourselves. Do we have low self-awareness? Meaning, we don't understand ourselves. Our awareness is so low that we're not even sure what we should do. Let me give you an example of someone, a friend of mine that checked himself. He started a screen printing business years ago, and it was not growing. And he just started asking himself a question: what's going on? What should he do? And he checked himself. He started saying, screen printing, I'm kind of getting it, I'm pretty good. But he was great at graphic designing. I'm talking about he was really, really good. So what did he do was he reinvented the business. He shut down the screen printing. He started doing graphic designs, and right now that's his business. He has like 2 employees. That's sometimes what we have to do. We have to ask ourselves, does this business fit my natural talent and my strengths? That's what I'm doing right now. I've been doing that for a while, and I'm not a graphic designer. I edit designs. I love to print, I love art, but my strength is I'm a salesman, and I have lacked going out there looking for clients. I'm in New York City. There's so many people here, so many businesses here. What am I doing in here? So I said to myself, I'm gonna take 2 days of the week to go out there, go to restaurants and barbershops and hair salons and get at least 2 clients a week. And that will add up to my foundation that I already have with clients. And doing that math, my revenue will go up 10,000, at least 10,000 within that year. That's what I'm thinking. That's one thing. So what I'm saying is that you have to develop another stream of income that's related to your screen printing game. Don't try to create another stream of income driving an Uber or going to a restaurant to go work. Keep it within your business. And the other one that I want to do is I'm going to start creating some classes at least once a week. I'm getting a lot of emails for classes, and if I could have at least 4 clients to come in here once a week to give classes, that's another revenue of income that I'm gonna be creating. And it might be another 10,000 within that year. With the 2 that I'm gonna get, we're talking about $20,000 just with those 2 additional streams of income. And that's how the business will start picking up. So what I'm trying to say is, don't quit. Don't quit. Figure it out first before you do that. Find out, how could I increase my revenue in this business Do I have to go out there more? Do I have to email more? What do I have to do? Do I have to throw more sales out there? Figure it out. And that's how we have to do when you're in a business. You have to zigzag. You cannot quit, because if you quit and then you go to another business and you still not checking who you are, not checking yourself, you're gonna bring all those old habits into the other business. And that's why people constantly change businesses and fail, because we have to figure it out what we have to do. Once you're not growing that fast, let's figure it out. What do I have to do? There's other screen printers are doing it. They blowing up. Does not mean that they better. Yeah, they have an advantage. They have more money. They have workers. But when you're working by yourself, oh man, you have to be the worker and the owner. And you have to balance those two things, because forget it. If you don't do that, you're gonna get discouraged and you just might quit. And at the end, some years will pass and then you will start regretting it. But keep doing it. Keep thinking about it. Anyone that has ideas of how to increase your business when it comes to screen printing, comment down below. Any ideas that I haven't thought of, other people thinking of. That's how we help each other. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. May God bless you all. Be grateful and peace out.